Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Stella, your native friend in China. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the navigation system in China, even if you don't know Chinese. As you know, Google Map doesn't work well in China. Most of Chinese people use Baidu Map or Gaode Map as our daily native navigation tools. However, as I know, neither of them is English friendly, which means if you cannot speak Chinese or you don't have a native friend at your side, it might be a little bit difficult for you to travel inside China. But don't worry, here we get the solution. There are two different ways to use navigation in China as foreigners, depending on your smartphone operation system. If you don't use iPhone, which means your smartphone operation system is Android or others, you need two apps to help you navigate in China. One is Baidu Map or Gaode Map. The other one is Alipay. You can refer to my previous video and check out how to sign up Alipay. Downloading the apps firstly and open Alipay. At the home page, input Translate. Then we'll find the translation tool. Click it. Set English translate to Chinese. Now input the place or the address you want to go. Then we can get the Chinese text. Click Copy button and exit Alipay. Then open Baidu Map or Gaode Map. Paste the Chinese text we copied. Click the blue button for searching. Now we can see the destination on map. Click the arrow icon. We can see navigation for different modes of transportation in the menu bar. We can infer the navigation mode from the icon. Let's choose public transportation. Here are different recommended routes. We can choose one route, then here is the details. Copy the screen. Then open Alipay and the translation tool. Choose Chinese translate to English. Then paste the screen you copied. And you get English text. That's the way we can use navigation. A quick tip, on the Alipay translation page, click Favorite button. Then on the home page, click My Apps. Then we can see it in My Favorites. It can help to find the translation tool quickly. If you use iPhone, which means your smartphone operation system is iOS, then you can use Apple Map in China directly without VPN because the data of Apple Map in China is provided by Gaode Map. All you need to do is open Apple Map and you can find the places in English and Chinese. Input where you want to go. It's super easy. That's it for today's video. If you want to know how to sign up Alipay, please check my previous video and I'll put the link below. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.